Friends, today many people want to start their own business to earn money. However, they do not have the right idea and they think that starting their own business requires a lot of investment. But friends, what if I told you that there's a way to earn income without big investments and a big factory? Yes, it is commission-based businesses. And here, you do not need to sell anything by yourself. You only need to assist others in selling their products or services, and in the process, you earn a commission. And the best part is that you can start this business with very little investment while you're studying or working part-time or full-time and earn good income. So in today's video, we are sharing with you the top 10 powerful commission-based business ideas that people are actually using to earn a steady income. So watch till the end because one of these could be the turning point in your financial journey. But before that, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and like and share it with your friends. Come on, let's watch. Hi friends and welcome to New Business Ideas. First up is real estate brokerage. Real estate has always been one of the most profitable commission businesses. You help people buy, sell or rent properties, and when the deal is closed, you get a good commission. For example, you can get a big commission by helping them sell a plot or house worth rupees 50 lakhs. If you have good networking and excellent market knowledge in this field, your income will also increase. What's more, it doesn't even require an office. You can start working from home with your mobile phone. Number 2 is travel commissions. One of the most popular commission businesses is the travel agent business. Today, many people are always booking hotels, flights, and tour packages for vacations, weddings, or work. In this situation, you can earn commission by booking them flight tickets, bus tickets, hotel reservations, or tour packages, especially in small towns. People are afraid to book online, so you can become their travel consultant. Apart from that, you can earn a steady side income by referring customers to hoteliers and tour operators. Number 3 is e-commerce sales consultant. Next, you can become a sales consultant. Yes, today many people want to become online sellers, but they don't understand the process of starting one. So if you have a good e-commerce industry knowledge and communication skills, you can get them registered as sellers on platforms like Amazon, Flipkart and Meesho and encourage them to sell their products online. And you can earn a commission on every sale. And the best part is that your earnings are directly dependent on your efforts. And the more customers you connect, the more your income grows. Number 4 is insurance agent. Another powerful commission business is insurance. Since insurance companies rely on agents to bring in new customers, insurance companies pay them high commissions. So if you learn to explain policies like life, health or motor insurance in simple terms and become a life, health or motor insurance agent, the company pays you a commission on the premium paid by the customer on each policy. Not only that, you can also earn income from customer renewals, which means it is a recurring commission business. Number 5, recruitment agency. Nowadays, people have the skills to do their jobs, but don't know how to find the right job. In this situation, if you open a placement service and recruitment agency, you can earn a good commission by helping candidates find the right job and companies find the right employee. Yes, the company pays them a commission and they can also earn a commission from the people they hire. Importantly, if you have connections with many companies, you can consistently earn significant profits. At number 6 is vehicle dealership commission. Commissions are huge when buying and selling used vehicles. Today, people are mostly interested in buying used vehicles rather than buying expensive new cars and bikes. So if you're an expert in used cars or motorcycles, then you can make good profits on every deal, even if you are a second-hand car sales or reselling bikes. However, trust is very important in this business. Once you develop trust, people will come back to you to do deals. At number 7 is dropshipping. Now let's talk about the digital side, dropshipping. This is a growing good commission business. And in this model, you create an attractive online store and list the products sourced from suppliers. And then when someone places an order, the supplier ships it directly to the customer. Importantly in this, you never touch the product, but you still get a certain commission on every sale. So if you're into online marketing, it is a smart business because your main job is not to pack and deliver the products, but to track and promote the good products. At number 8 is educational consulting. The education sector is always in demand. Many students need information about the right college course or foreign admission. Also, if you have good experience and knowledge in the education sector, you can earn commission by providing the right advice to students looking for educational information. Apart from that, the institutions you recommend will give you a commission for each of your admissions. However, this commission amount may vary depending on the course chosen by the students. Also, if parents and students start trusting you, this business can grow rapidly. Number 9 is import-export agent. Friends, this import-export business may seem big, but you can start on a small scale by becoming an agent. For example, an Indian manufacturer wants to sell his products in the foreign market and he needs help in finding buyers. In this situation, if you finalize an export contract for him, you can get a commission from him for each export. Also, this commission amount depends on the contract size. But even for small contracts, you can get a good commission. However, it will be helpful here if you have international connections and a little knowledge of English to start this business. At number 10 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the fastest growing commission businesses today. Just like dropshipping, here you can earn good commission by promoting various companies' products or services by sharing special links of those products on YouTube, blogs, or social media. Friends, every time someone buys through your link, you get paid. And the best part is you can start it for free. All you need is good content and social media accounts with followers. But it requires continuous effort, and over time, affiliate marketing can turn into a solid passive income stream. Friends, these are just some of the best commission business ideas that you can start. And there are many more commission-based businesses you can start, like digital marketing agency, business franchise consultancy, event and wedding planner. All of these are low investment and highly scalable. So friends, remember, it doesn't matter who pays the most. What matters is what you actually enjoy doing. Because when you enjoy the work, the income will come naturally. Friends, all the businesses listed above are part of the industry. So if you want more information about these businesses, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.